Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shnong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Tata Motors hakanyo trik risau arajar posau klub lipat ba dengan Mega Automotive LLP Workshop Shnong wa pathau Urksew Pynursla harga kejeng sakilang jong Zonal Manager East Tata Motors Limited Uranvir Kanwar ubalongkum kongsan usoda kara Shabong uba Hering Sing Kongai ubalongkum sumut kongsan urang ba Shnong ba Arshalson Lingdo kintupru ke director ketau ba Charles Pengro Urohit Agarwal Urahul Agarwal Original Manager jong North East Tata Motors Limited Umukul Manish Area Manager jong ILM CV Tata Motors Limited Ashim Chakraborty Territory Sales Manager Kaladia Sharma Vice President Subrata Barwa Work Manager ba Arlangki Nongrum berkuih-kuih belajar khot skong ba
Mr. Urksew. Have this occasion now.
At the outset, my dear friends, invitees, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this inauguration of this workshop at Pynursla. To begin with, Pao Kajing Snong Bakraw, the Shnong, Urksew, Pynursla, Ramba Shnong, Itu khot jangka executive committee jangka Shnong, Isenglong kume, Ibraiwan ban pensingai ni kini kejingi kindo kejingi lang kedungi akhirnya kes no pais ni, Kaptam, Itrai jangka ni kecaka, bagila ayla ni ban pen long kini ka jaga Shna kali, nagabenta Nongshong Shnong jangka ni ketani perokoi, Indak kebensya ba, jaga ni kejingdan jangka ni kecaka. Kitrai jo kali bagi kue ru ki ba im akan kam di sayo ka jing mentoy na kabenta ka jing ba jang kalawai Ikerben scam ru, ringkat pat ka jingerap, juga Shnong hiborokoi. Insa yo, ya ki samla, ki rangba, ki balaban, trailan bat ni hangni, apa kidan kasap, pensinai ki kali. Tiga kerpa dia rangba Shnong saudara Shnong kumjo, ba ninye kindo, bat ngada ni bat kinong tray, bat tray hangni, ban pinito ya kita ki samla ki rangba, ki beran kasap, pensinai kali. Kenapa? Kira dia ya contohkan ban ya pembimbingan ya ketika workshop pada nanti kerja kasih kali.
Dengan dokumen cibun nam ta kani, bat kalong kaji temen ro bandon ke hukum kani ke workshop kani apa Shnong. Kani kata Tata company kumbangalong kam dadai suka ka bangta baperlah penjungi na udang kena nilai tip ya kata Tata company nilai penai kata Tata company ban dokumen ro bandon ya ke hukum kani ka company bakanwan hang ni Shnong di banbu ya ke hukum kani ka workshop kani ka karkhana ka sukumen cibun ba kumno kali penlong ya direktor jangka Ipak Charles banwan hangne Ipak Charles imlong show ibalong nongwei apren jongi ke papun hangne la se kanyarap cibun na ka benta jongi ka dong ka than jongi hangne ya ka ban yo ban kejing mentoy ha ka ba kumbalong iba menne na ka wasdang ba Charles silong ba kanyarap ka ban aikam ikisama da don kibak idon sap panyatray ko hukum kani katam ngaru nga ai NOC halor kata kanong rim dagaba kami leti ba kanlong ka jimatoy ya kinong Shnong juni hangni badya kata ru kilale hi ndai ba kinang suong kilale ru dagaba kila kerpat yang orang ba Shnong lamba kining tray jogi hangni dagaba ong yang penyo si lamba ikitak to kani kibrio kabanya tray hi banong ki sales manager banong ki service provider pakinong buntang terter hangni tinggal persang ban pen ya kenduk baki ngamtip lah kilong qualifying ya ka takakam kumbala terwa nak kalian ganyo ke company dan rai ka kam kanang ya ngi scam ba kanang la susu ya ka batmi sakui tikam ki ba kini ki pardong perthan jongi kila ya ka ban ya don betalang ha ka ban ya trai ka kani company ka ban long ka jimtoy na ka benta ka jingim jogi ke baman kasni tikam kuai pa ka benta ka jing dokumen kalong susu na ka benta ki badon kali nak patah kita don kali kan long kawai pekaji mentoy ngir ngila yabu kali ni kini ki senan ki belai no ngar ni yabu hi kata ta isyat airam ni ba pertak kan suan de nak kada misi yo ya kali kam de ke basuk ingi bangin lain mo kadon ke jing ya bandai chilong namar ba kapai kali kalut kapai singin kalut sa ke jing thapnya ju ke sor chilong tang syu bakla la sya phanya pulit mo tang syu bakla la sya phanya de kalong ke jing dan dari kedon ke jingmen ke bakrau habaran hukum kani ngangen bakani kakam kan yat bet syakmat kan ai ke service ke pakan apa kiri di brio jong kani kadong kathan ke bedon kali tenang ba kan no pertami asu sor chilong bakin yo no bat pendek dang ni
te negliang jonga gedap ke jingmen kata ke jingmen kelang ke kumbla keren orang ba Shnong Urksew apa thau ka pensuk dengan lech long ya tahu sibun jinga hakil tinggi sengkin andai kumene ka lat ka kabu ka puai kene ka jeli ka bde hap apa ka jurisdiction jonga harkat orang ba Shnong te kalong ka ke jing sngau sarang ke jing sngau tunat hadu kata namar ba ngim lese nang ne shikmat bangim don kam shu ban le chedu shillong da dingi don kam ban la ke habde bat kali bat kiwe teh ke juga por ngasngeu ban kentu bakino gino yapi sar balada don ga gikam bat kipos kibalat to pelem shua ikipat ba jonga ni kathan jongi kata de ke bakhamat bangabu nama
let me tell you there is one thing which is common between Tata brand and Meghalaya. You know, the Tata stands for trust, and the people of Meghalaya, they are so clear. Whatever is in their heart, they speak it very clearly, and they are very trustworthy. So these things remain common in the brand. And if you see Tata, what does Tata, brand stand for? Today, Tata touches almost the entire population of the country. If you see, and abroad also, we are almost 140 crore people, and this brand, if you see, we are almost 29 companies of Tata, from airlines to salt to communication to consumer electronics, TCS. If you see anything which is there, which moves the country, Tata is always there, and especially Tata Motors. Tata Motors started almost 1945. We started with manufacturing of locomotive engines, and from that day, the kind of support what Tata has got from the entire country is that today we are having almost 7 plants all across the country, and we manufacture. Tata Motors put together manufactures around 70 to 80,000 vehicles every month, and the kind of market shares what we have, it is hovering around, especially in the northeast, almost 70% around. That's only because the people have trust in the brand.
While coming here, I was just imagining, if something happens to the vehicle en route, before today, one vehicle, one service van had to come from Shillong to this place. And that vehicle had to wait for, say, 3 hours, 2.5 hours. It meant a lot of time. It meant a lot of loss of business, which we are correcting today with the opening of this workshop. As Ranveer said, our company believes in customer service. Our company believes in building trust with our customers. Our company believes in increasing our engagement, increasing our support to all the chain partners who are involved in our business. So I congratulate Megha to inaugurate this workshop today. And I'm sure this workshop will do a lot of good to all the development work that is going on here and to your businesses. Any support, anything that you want us to do more, you are most welcome to let us know about it. We'll be happy to go the extra mile.
customers to visit our workshop. We're going to provide different kinds of services like free service, warranty jobs, ancillary jobs, big jobs, and we will make sure that spare parts will be available, and we'll try to complete the work on time. And before I end the speech, I would like to thank our guests, our board of directors, then our dignitaries for coming here to be with us today. Thank you so much.